What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to change out some of the struts, undo some of the subframe bolts, pop out some of the axles, and get a little bit closer to undoing the transmission. Let's check it out. There's the new strut. It's got a little bit of rust on it. These are used, but the guy's trustworthy. So thanks again to Mike Weinman for those. Let's take a look at what's going on here. So this is what happened. You can see the axle shaft and all the splines there. You can see the inside of the CV joint, and there's like a pivoting point there for it to rotate, and obviously those are separated, which sucks. So we're gonna have to get a new axle, but that's fine. So, and then we're gonna fix this too. But for now, we're gonna take the new strut out. So there's a new strut installed, looking good. Everything came apart nice and easy, and looking good up here too. So now I'm gonna try to take out that busted axle. So there's the old axle. Doesn't actually look that bad, considering. I'm starting to think it probably popped out because the sway bar link popped off. But that's okay. Doesn't hurt to change them. Not looking too bad over there. Still got the other end in the hub there, but it's okay. We'll pop that out soon. Now I'm just gonna plug that up so that nothing gets in there. Now I'm going to try and start to take out the other axle on this side, and we can start dropping the trans. So this strut's pretty much ready to come out, but the sway bar link there is spinning, which is, it's not a big deal, but I don't have the stuff with me right now to get that undone. So we're going to tackle that later. I got some of the subframe bolts loosened up there, and everything else is pretty much ready to go. So once I got some more tools, we'll be able to get a little bit further. So the clutch is in Quebec, or it actually just left Quebec, so it'll be getting here soon. So I'm going to cut the video off for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.